In this quick video guide, we're going to see how we can use Adobe Photoshop Express for the smartphone. So you can use this on your laptop, desktop, other devices, but in this video, we're going to concentrate on the smartphone. And if you want to have extra information, you can see it here in the original official website. And also you can see the information about the app on the Google Play Store. So this is right now the app already with some effects and the text. So we can do a lot of things with this small app. It's not so small actually. It contains a lot of tools and features. And of course, it's not as big as the actual Photoshop application or software that you can use in your computer, but it has a lot of things we can use. Now, let me just close this and go from the beginning. So of course, you need to go into the Play Store and download the files. So Play Store and just search for here Photoshop, and there you go. In the list here we have similar application like Canva or Pixar, and then if you go down you see here Photoshop Express. Just click there, install it with the blue button, install it, and then open it. You're gonna let permission to the software to get inside your folders where you store the images. And in this case, I'm gonna like select this one here and just gonna show you quickly how it works. And if you want, you can find more videos, guides, and courses in the channel about Photoshop and other video and audio and photo editing software. So you find a lot of stuff in there. Now, first thing we could do is just click on this little magic wand and let Photoshop decide what are the various adjustments that can be done. And also you can work here with the contrast. By clicking here, you can save the image, or you can also share the image once you're finished using different like social network. So you can save in JPEG format. You can choose a format here. You can make it square. You can use customized and insert a resolution. I'm sorry this is in Italian right now, but it's really simple. You don't even need to translate. So you can just share it in WhatsApp. You can download in the gallery. You can share it in Instagram, TikTok, Drive, use cloud services like Creative Cloud and Lightroom and so on. You can also print it or set it as your desktop screen. Now, basically, you have these really simple buttons on the top, and then you have like all the most important effects on the bottom. So right now we are using the filters. So what you see here is a lot of filters that you can just click to apply, and then you can like increase and decrease the effect using this slider. And these are basically what you usually find in, again, Instagram or Facebook. So these are really interesting ready-made presets to quickly edit and do like color correction or also alteration. For example, if you want to go from colors to black and white, and you can tap and just scroll horizontal here to see the effects. There are really a lot of them, and these are the categories. So like black and white and portrait, like with the vignetting effects, or white balancing and splash and so on. So just go there, experiment, and see all the different possibilities. And these are the looks. So we can then go in the regulations, and here you can work to make things brighter or darker. And by the way, you can use the complete picture here. You can see this bar, or you can use just the subject, which is going to be identified, or just the rest of the scene. So this is really interesting because if I want like to, well, I cannot do it with the rest, but I can do it with the regulation. So if I go like in the, let me see here, like black and white, in the tint, I can only change the tint of the background there and leave the rest unaltered. And also I can do this with the subject. So let's make like saturation here. So I can make it like black and white, and the rest will be in color. So really interesting features here and really advanced tools that you have in this little app. And you have so a lot of adjustments here and color correction tools, and then you have also correct to correct the entire image. You can decide the size here of the brush, and then you can go into more advanced settings or basic settings. So if I click, like you can see here, is kind of trying to hide defects. So I think I'm gonna make this really, really small. And let's like try to hide this little um, button here or these rocks. So you can, try to spot a problem and try to hide it with this tool. It's kind of a clone stamp tool in a way. And also you can cut and resize your image. And well, you have other tools here like flipping or rotating, transformating. So I can like flip this all the other way, and I can also straighten. And let me see here, transform. I can use some inclination to make this like 3D. And just go back here. This is undo, redo. And where else? Well, you have like deforming things, or like you can change you can deform and create a warp effect or other spirals. And you can work with the background only here, change the tint of the background, or you can overlap some effects here, smoke effects and others. And you can also use text. So let's type here Photoshop and Express and finish. And then you can change the color, so you can make it like blue or whatever. And then you can like rotate it, you can resize it, make it bigger, smaller. You can just delete it and so on. And then you have other like stickers, so other graphics you can apply. You can work with the borders. You can work with the eyes to remove the red eyes from the picture and so on. So I cannot show you everything, but it's really, really simple here to use all these tools. And if you're not satisfied, you can always like go for the desktop version. And again, I created another guide for that in the channel, or you can check the entire software, the Photoshop Pro, which is available on the Adobe Creative Cloud website. And you will see also a course in Photoshop in the channel if you want. So this will be all for this video. If you enjoyed, subscribe the channel and stay updated. If you want to thank us, support us, please join the channel as a supporter, and see you in the next video guide.